Join us while we visit our friends in Waynesville, North Carolina. There is a lot to do in this hoppin' little town, and it is surrounded by beautiful mountains and Lake Junaluska. We're Trisha and Randy. Welcome to our van build, plus where to go, what to see. It's adventure time. This is Dillsboro. When the kids were little, we brought them up here to ride Thomas the Tank Engine or something. Some kind of train. What's up here? Oh, look at that. There's the train. We are going up Eagle's Nest Road on our way to Joan and David's new mountain hideaway. This is actually a golf course community up here. But what I'm interested in is all the beautiful scenery. Look at that. Randy's checking on the van. We're at about 5,000 feet in elevation up at Eagle's Nest. It is lovely. Look at this looping. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Look how spectacular the rhododendron are. What a pretty church. We are in Waynesville, North Carolina. With
here, it's the industrial. You got the banks and the Publix and the Ingles and the. This is like old
and all the
town.
stuff, but this is Old Town.
This is like.
Now we're with Joan and David, and they used to live near us in Marietta, Marietta, Georgia.
Marietta, Georgia.
So they've got something going on down here where they are.
We're gonna play that by ear.
Oh, music! Okay. The band is practicing.
Sounding good. This way.
Yama Yama. Let's see what's in there. Woo, that looks great. Pork belly.
Look at this.
Oh my gosh.
Now that's pork belly in here.
And this is a bacon jam in here, and it's got pimento cheese.
Oh my. Oh, pimento cheese.
Pimento cheese.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna have some around. Chicken fried portabella. I've never heard of it before.
It's a southern
This
food.
is so cool. I don't know what the side dishes are. Is that okra?
Like a sweet
and squash?
mash. Yeah,
Oh.
squash.
I'll tell you after I taste it. And
That looks really
David
good.
has an amazing trout almondine with rice and what, kale? What
That's
what was
kale.
that? There's a bakery. It is hopping. So this was Yama Yama Yama. We are taking a walk around Lake Junaluska, and that Joan and David live up in those mountains somewhere up there.
Junaluska. It was a chief's name, and our mountain used to be called Junaluska Mountain, and it was named after an Indian chief that
Cool.
befriended a lot of people in the area, and
Yeah.
he's honored. But the lake was named after this Indian chief.
I love it.
There's the mother.
I know. I saw her. She left her.
He's dry now.
He's preening.
They are very flexible.
He's gonna say move over. Move
You
over.
can't
Ah.
go around yourself. Well, they're so pretty. That
They are, and the blue, the deep blue on the back of their tail.
That must be the place to preen. There is the hotel. It is a fun day on Lake Junaluska. And look at the dog. They allow dogs here. It's Bushy. Bushy the dog. Okay, that is pretty darn cute. So you can rent all kinds of different types of watercraft.
In the ocean, you'd have some of that.
He's going for the
He's got
big
like, his bait on there is like this big.
I know. You gotta have a monster fish to eat that.
First I thought he just caught it, but he...
You can buy a pool pass.
Yes. Yep. I was on a swim team for 2 years.
There is an old building right there. Oh, look at the beautiful roses down through here. Hey, puppy dog. Oh, this is really lovely. Lovely. Oh, they just go on and on. This is very cool. Okay, we've come to the end of the rose garden.
Look at the calla lilies. They're pink tipped.
It is another beautiful morning. The bird just flew off the nest. Look at the babies. There's a lily pond lake down there. It was a very windy, long road to get up here, but man, is it worth it. We borrowed a stroller from a neighbor, and Pepper's really liking it.
My string around that tree.
If she wasn't totally spoiled before, she is now.
Oh, look at that. That's keeping it together good. Ooh.
Wow.
Oh, look at that. There you go. That's keeping
Yeah,
it tight.
so this is for the whole neighborhood.
Yeah.
It's very nice.
Look, he's got a little canoe out.
Puppy, what do you think? Ooh, that's some good water.
Them are ducks.
The
David, here's the
Little
baby
duck one.
ducks. Will Pepper go after them?
no.
No. He's too slow. Oh, they're cute.
Oh, hi there,
Cute
darlings.
little mallards. Oh, they're growing up.
There.
Leave those babies alone.
We don't know where the mama duck is. We don't know where the mama duck is. It's Memorial Day. This is Yama Yama Yama. We are at Beach Mountain. At what town is this? Hazelwood.
North Carolina.
And you've got some kind of
Mexican
omelet. Looks yummy.
He has the
Oh, the left coast.
left coast.
Omelet, and then Joan and I have the
Chicken
same
salad
thing
with avocado.
because we're awesome. Oh, and they have a house, spicy house dressing that's good. This is delicious, and we're so happy to have your visit. There's a full avocado under here, which is kind of good. It's a Yama Yama.
Thanks so much for joining us. Subscribe to join us on all of our travels. Hit the bell notification icon if you want to be notified every time we upload a new video. See you on the next adventure.